Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a short little episode for you. I'm going to show you how to make a creamsicle or dreamsicle float. Here in the United States, root beer floats are really common. And what you can do is you can mix it up by using a different kind of soda. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to use a orange soda mixed with our vanilla ice cream, and it's going to create this float that's kind of like a dreamsicle or creamsicle popsicle, if you are familiar with those. Really tasty, super yummy. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, now, first what we want to do is we want to start with our soda. You don't want to start with the ice cream first because it'll just wind up, if you put the ice cream in your glass first and then you pour your soda on it, it's just going to overflow with foam and it's going to make a mess. So let's go ahead and just start with our orange. I'm using this Orange Crush soda. Oh yeah. And then what I'll normally do is just about 2/3 full first. We can always top it off later if we want. And then go ahead and take your vanilla ice cream. This is just Dreyer's brand. The brand really doesn't matter. And then come in here and just scoop up some ice cream and gently put it in there. I'm going to do 2 scoops. Oh yeah. Just like that. And then I'm going to just top it off just a little bit. You'll see what happens when we pour this in here. See how it instantly foams? Oh yeah, that is awesome. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come in here with our whipped cream. And this is optional as well. You don't have to add this whipped cream if you don't want. See how nice and foamy it's getting? I'm going to come in here with some whipped cream and put it on top. Oh yeah, look at that. And there you go, really simple, amazing, refreshing treat that you can have any time of the year. Great for summer. Here in Arizona, it's still pretty warm. So there we go. All right, our creamsicle float is done. Super easy, great little treat to make. I just had lunch, so I'm excited to dive into this. Really simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. And you can use a spoon or a straw, whatever you want to do. I like to use a spoon. Oh yeah.